The question is, which of the following amine will be prepared by Gabriel-Thelemite reaction? The solution is, now to answer this question, we must first know what is the Gabriel reaction. Also, the structures of the given option. So therefore, N-butylamine can be drawn as triethylamine can be drawn as neopentylamine can be drawn as and third butylamine can be drawn as now we know that the Gabriel synthesis is used to prepare only primary amines, that is 1-degree amines, and amongst the given options triethylamine cannot be a primary amine, and out of the rest three options neopentylamine, N-butylamine and T-butylamine, neopentylamine and T-butylamine are hindered amines, so the only option that we are left with is option A, and that is our solution.